Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation heading is co-constants. जो आपका कोई भी आपका स्किल टेस्ट हो, लाइक एसएससी, डीएसएसबी, सुप्रीम कोर्ट, कोई भी आपका स्किल टेस्ट हो, उसी में काफ़ी हेल्पफुल प्ले रोल करेगा ये आपका डिक्टेशन विद पीडीएफ. बी रेडी, स्टार्ट. The 8 core sectors of the Indian economy not only account for over 4/10 of its measured industrial output but also serve as an indicator of the momentum in investment activity through demand for its such as cement and steel. Electricity generation is a good proxy for overall demand in the economy, while fertilizer production numbers help gauge agricultural activity. So it is heartening that the official index to measure these sectors' output has registered 2 successive months of double-digit growth. Factoring in the 9.3% uptick for these factors in April, it was 19.3% and 12.7% in May and June. The first quarter of 2022-23 has been output growth of 13.7% despite the high base of 26% growth in quarter first last year. Total industrial output grew 6.7% in April and 19.6% in May. Based on June's core sector data, economists reckon industrial production to rise anywhere between 9% and 13% in June. These high numbers are a tad misleading because the first quarter of 2021 was marred by national lockdowns, and though output did not suffer as much during the second COVID wave in quarter 1 of 2022, economic conditions were not ideal either. In any case, these base effects will start fading from July. For better context to assess where the economic recovery stands, industrial output in May was 1.7% over pre-pandemic levels, and core sectors output in June is 8% over 2019. Next para. What should cause concern is that the recovery is still fragmented and dissonant. Moreover, the rebound momentum seems to be flagging as core output declined 4.08% in June over May 2022. Just for infrastructures drove most of the growth in June, led by coal output jumping 31.1% and cement rising 19.4% from 2021 levels. Crude oil output tackled again in June after a positive blip in May, while natural gas grew a mere 1.2%, driven by higher global oil prices making exports attractive, and electricity rose 15.5%, signaling domestic demand. The monsoon would dampen coal production, pressuring generators to import more coal if electricity demand sustains. The only 2 sectors to record a month-on-month growth in June, cement and fertilizers, also face headwinds. Cement production is expected to taper off on the same meteorological account as coal, even as an uneven monsoon could hurt fertilizer demand. The good news is that the center's capital spending critical to sustain the recovery bounced remarkably in June to 68,000 crore from an underwhelming rupees 78,000 crores in May, ensuring that a quarter of the year's target has been met in Q1. With private capital still high, global turmoil and local inflation playing spoil sport with the recovery, it is vital that the center keep the pedal pressure on this front and cajoles more states into availing the rupees 1 lakh crore capex loan window soon. Full stop.